What does charity mean to you? Is charity about giving money or something deeper? Hey everyone, let's talk about charity. I'm not talking about tossing a quarter into a tip jar and feeling like you saved the world. We are going deeper. Charity is not about doing good, it's also about being good. And of course, we're always going to add some Book of Mormon verses to this video, so let's dive into this. What is charity? It's not about donating your old socks or baking for a neighbor, though. Shout out to the bakers out there. Charity is love in action. In fact, the Apostle Paul said in 1 Corinthians 13:4, charity suffereth long and is kind. Charity is love that goes the extra mile, even when it's inconvenient. Charity is the little things. And the Book of Mormon takes it up a notch. Moroni 7:47 it says, charity is the pure love of Christ, and endureth forever. Now think about that. The pure love of Christ. Now that is love, without judgment, without conditions, and without an expiration date. There is no fine print. That's basically love. Why is charity so important? Charity matters so much because it changes us. Now let's be honest. It's easy to be nice to people when people are nice to us, but charity pushes us to love the people that are grumpy. Jesus taught us in Matthew 22:39, thou shalt love thy neighbor as thyself. And spoiler alert, thy neighbor includes everyone. Even the guy that takes forever at the drive-thru. Love and patience, people. Now here's the thing. When we show charity, we're not just blessing others. We are letting God shape us into better versions of ourselves. It's like a spiritual workout. And yes, it sometimes burns. How to show charity. Alright, so let's get practical. How do we show charity in real life? Here are a few tips for you to get started. Tip number 1, look for opportunities. Charity doesn't always look heroic. Sometimes it's just holding the door open for someone, sending a kind text, or listen to someone who vents out their problems. Start small and watch it grow. Tip number 2, serve without expecting reward. True, charity doesn't come with strings attached. You're not doing it for a gold star or a round of applause. Trust me, it feels better than a standing ovation. Tip 3, pray for charity. In Moroni 7:47, we are encouraged to pray unto the Father with all the energy of heart, that ye may be filled with his love. If you're struggling to show charity, and we all do, ask God for help. He is the source of it after all. One of my favorite examples of charity in action comes from everyday people. The single mom that shares what little she has. The kid who gives up his favorite toy to make someone smile. These small acts might not hit the headlines, but they change our hearts. Theirs and ours. When we show charity, we reflect the love of Christ. And let's face it, the world could use a little more of that. So here's my challenge for you. Go out today and show some examples of charity. Big or small, it counts. And remember, it's not about being perfect. It's about letting God's love shine through. Leave a comment down below of one thing you can do that involves charity. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and share this video to someone to help spread the love of Christ together. Stay awesome, and I'll see you next time.